Why did Dogecoin crash? Is it your time to buy? Here's what the Dogecoin Millionaire did. There is one simple rule of thumb in investing in cryptocurrencies. It is learning to take volatility in your stride. While given the fickle nature of the investment world where the graph swings wildly, it takes a strong heart to ride the wave, and trading Dogecoin is no exception. Cryptocurrencies have fallen dramatically since May after Elon Musk halted payments for Tesla and Bitcoin, yet Dogecoin has been hit particularly hard. It has been nearly 4 months since the crash, and there still is no sign of recovery. In fact, as of September 20th, Dogecoin lost another 10% over 24 hours to hit 21 cents. But thankfully, it wasn't the only one. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the biggest names in the crypto world, both saw some significant decline. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that Bitcoin has a significant influence over the other cryptocurrencies, and in fact, the entire market. Apart from being the world's most valuable digital currency, Bitcoin commands 50% of the entire cryptocurrency market. That has further stamped its authority and increased its popularity over the other cryptocurrencies. And as some investors argue, Bitcoin's strong market position makes it seem like the reserve currency of the crypto market, like the US dollar in global financial markets. So, it is a sure thing that Bitcoin's decline will have a negative impact on the entire crypto market as well. The recent decline was also a result of an intense rally of Bitcoin, which we saw a couple of weeks back, and that, of course, is quite rational. Any investment is done primarily for returns. When short-term investors see some good profit, they sell. However, that's exactly what you should avoid doing. As an investor, you need to be prudent, especially when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. Because as the inventor of the term HODL, Game Kyuubi, says, you only sell in a bear market if you're a good day trader or an illusion noob. The people in between hold. In a zero-sum game such as this, traders can only take your money if you sell. Well, indeed, when you trade cryptos based on short-term price movements, you're more likely to fail your attempts to time the market and lose money. You can make even less than you would by simply holding onto your coin, or as crypto investors like to say, HODL your coin. HODL simply means hold on to your crypto assets. Hodlers wash their hands of all this volatility and prognostication. They simply HODL, which helps them to counteract two common destructive tendencies: FOMO, fear of missing out, which can lead to us buying high, and FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which can lead to selling low. But for hardcore believers in cryptocurrency, HODL represents more than a strategy for reining in FOMO, FUD, and other profit-eroding emotions. These true believers HODL because they think cryptocurrencies will eventually replace fiat currencies and form the basis of all future economic structures. Take, for instance, the Dogecoin millionaire Globber Contesoto. When Contesoto decided to invest his life savings in Dogecoin, his friends had concerns. Contesoto says, they're all like, you're crazy, it's a joke coin, it's a meme, it's going to crash. But despite everything, Contesoto decided to go all in. He maxed out his credit cards, borrowed money using Robinhood's margin trading tool, and spent everything he had on cryptocurrency, totaling roughly $250,000. Then he constantly monitored his phone as Dogecoin became an internet phenomenon that surpassed the worth of blue-chip companies like Twitter and General Motors. The value of his Dogecoin holdings today, roughly $2 million. And well, he doesn't care about the recent dips. In fact, he's been sharing snapshots of his cryptocurrency trading app, indicating that he had purchased more during the dips. Luckily, it's not just Contesoto who's been hodling Dogecoin. Many investors out there still see the potential for Dogecoin to shift from a low-value meme to a potential medium of exchange. That is because, like any other currency, Dogecoin also gains value as it becomes more widely accepted as a medium of exchange. While dozens of small businesses now accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, their economic impact is effectively zero. However, there are some larger entities that are accepting Doge, including the NBA's Dallas Mavericks. In fact, now it's also possible to purchase the hardest of hard assets, precious metals, using Dogecoin. Yes, the largest US silver and gold e-commerce site, JM Bullion, added Dogecoin to the list of 7 cryptocurrencies it accepts as payment. Rumors also continue to swirl that so-called Doge father Elon Musk might start accepting the cryptocurrency for purchases of Tesla vehicles. Tesla has previously stopped accepting Bitcoin payments due to the coin's adverse environmental impact, but Musk continues to offer verbal support for Dogecoin, which, in my opinion, is completely reasonable. The vastly lower amount of electricity required to mine and use Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin has boosted its attractiveness as a crypto alternative. Dogecoin uses just 0.12 kilowatt hours of electricity per transaction, compared to Bitcoin's 707 kilowatt hours. Indeed, one huge bullish factor for Dogecoin, but besides that, the willingness of a few larger companies to accept it for purchases, the possibility that more will join them, and a measure of price stability are all positive signs. So, what's there to wait for? Like Contest Soto did. However, I strongly advise you to not put any money into Dogecoin that you're not prepared to lose, because you'd surely want to get out if you aren't comfortable with volatile, high-risk investments. And this, in turn, affects the market. But if you're prepared to hold cryptocurrencies through dips and fluctuations, then over the medium to longer term, Dogecoin has some great potential to leave you laughing all the way to the bank. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of the recent Dogecoin crash. Also, if you found our video informative, do like it and share it with your friends. Till next time, stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.